News First Alert Weather Day Update.
Hey everybody, I'm CBS 11 meteorologist Dominic Brown in the Storm Center. We are tracking First Alert weather days for today, even for your Monday, because we're tracking periods of heavy rain here in North Texas, the potential for some flooding. In fact, we do have a flood watch in effect for parts of the area until noon and our southern areas until about 7 o'clock on your Monday. And we can see between 2 and 4 inches of rain out of some of this activity, some isolated higher amounts as well. And remember, turn around, don't drown. You never know how deep that water really is. So the National Weather Service has extended the flood watch for much of our area until about noon tomorrow, but there will be some areas closer to about Henderson County, Anderson County, those areas to the south until about 7 o'clock on your Monday evening. That means we're going to have that flood potential for parts of the area, even the potential for some flash flooding that we'll need to keep in mind as we look ahead into your Monday. Now here's a look at First Alert radar. You'll see a wide image of it right now. Over the course of the afternoon, we'll continue to keep you updated about what's happening with the forecast. But we've been tracking heavy rain for parts of the Metroplex, moving to the east here, and even some lighter rainfall that will continue tracking from the west that will continue moving east. And remember, some of this rain could be heavy at times, so we'll be tracking that very closely right here on CBS DFW and, of course, on air as well. Now, as we look ahead with First Alert radar, you'll notice that we do have showers and thunderstorms continuing to push through portions of the area. You'll see through areas in Tarrant and Dallas counties. You'll see that we have some pockets of heavy rain, mainly south of downtown Fort Worth, but some of that will be scooting to the north very soon. We've also seen some showers and storms over Mansfield, moving farther to the northeast toward I-30 and I-20. Now, check out portions of Dallas County. DeSoto seeing some rainfall right now. We've been checking out rain over portions of downtown Dallas with our live sky cams, and also to the east here toward areas in Kaufman County and Rockwall County that we're seeing some heavier rain toward areas in Terrell, even Oak Grove, where we're seeing some thunderstorms there. Also some pockets of heavy rain toward Winnsboro, Sulphur Springs, and you'll see some lighter rainfall, still a little heavy at times toward Wichita Falls, but light rainfall toward Bridgeport, even areas in Mineral Wells that we'll be tracking courtesy of a stationary front over the area. We have a lot of moisture out there that we're picking up with the stationary front, waves of energy riding along it, moisture moving in mainly from the south over the Gulf of Mexico, more moisture to work with as we go through this evening, tonight, and part of your Monday. So looking at Futurecast, you'll see the clock there at the top of the screen, scattered rain and storms across the area that will continue from time to time. It won't be a continuous rain over your neighborhood, but we'll push into later tonight. This is after midnight. You'll likely notice a few more showers and thunderstorms starting to develop. The coverage starting to extend across the area early in the morning toward 3 and 3:15. Right around that morning drive, we need to take it slow. It's been a while since we've seen rain like this. We've been very dry as well, so the ground might not be able to take a lot of this rainfall all at once. Toward 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, toward 8, 8:30, we could see some heavy rain over parts of Tarrant County, Johnson County, Ellis County as well, toward Denton County, and that will continue pushing farther to the south toward noon and thereafter, so that's why that flood watch has been extended farther to the south. And remember, we could see about 2 to 4 inches of rain out of this activity. Just as we look ahead into your Tuesday, those rain chances going down a bit more. There's the coverage there, about 2 to 4 inches overall. There will likely be some areas seeing closer to about 1 to an inch and a half. So it will likely be feast or famine for most of us, but hopefully you don't have to deal with a lot of flooding rain in your neighborhood as we go through the next day or so. So as we look at the forecast for tonight, you'll notice temperatures likely in the low 80s, upper 70s by 7 o'clock. And how about 8 o'clock temperatures about 78 degrees. Your First Alert 7-day forecast has the first alert for your Monday. You'll notice the rain chances as we push ahead through the next few days. About 40% for your Tuesday, 30% chance of a shower or storm going into your Wednesday. We're going to be looking at these numbers a bit closer as we go through the next couple of hours here. But you'll notice the heat will be on again with temperatures back in the low 90s by the time we go into Thursday and for your Friday. So keep it here on CBS News DFW and, of course, on air at CBS 11 for the latest updates with your First Alert forecast.
This has been a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day Update.